Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
All right.
Hi Rishi,
Hi.
how are you?
Hi. Yeah.
I think that this is the first time we are doing stream together, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, no, we have done previously, like one time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I keep forgetting. Hi guys, let's get started.
You would change the like interior, soundproof.
I just put that little foam and arrange my shoes a bit. I have like my toy collection, like not collection, no, just a little bit.
Okay.
So, how was your day? You took any trades?
No, 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 no.
Why?
Like I'm just working on one more project, like business. So it's going to launch soon. So I'm just working on it.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. So, I actually took two trades today.
Okay.
One was, I'll share, give me a minute.
Sure, sure.
I'm just arranging my windows. Like so many windows are there. Rosa is running late or
I don't know.
okay?
Let's start. I think they'll join later.
Sure, sure. Perfect. Let me just share my screen. Gold is going all-time high over all-time high.
Yeah.
Oh, it touched 3700. No, not yet. It's about to touch. Give me a minute. I'll just sharing something now.
Just give me a minute. My monitor is disconnected. Just give me a minute.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Hi Tamil guys. Yeah, actually we both are Tamil guys. He's from Chennai as well.
All right.
So so I had taken two trades. One is basically I take a counter. I usually take a counter trend trade. So
Okay.
here, I think in Tokyo I took this trade. Just let, it actually missed TP by like one pip and went back to S. Then- so this been happening quite a while for me the last 2 weeks.
Okay. You can just trade your stop loss, right?
Like in that's my problem. I don't like for me. I have this set
Uh,
and forget for challenge phase, which I don't do. Live, I have a different. That's my thing.
okay.
Okay,
Okay. I
so
get it.
basically, what I was doing is I usually take a trade sell. So
Okay.
already reached a big rally. I was hoping there will be a pullback. Okay, I actually shorted the market yesterday itself. I took a trade somewhere around here. Then
Okay.
morning I woke up, it already reached here. Okay, so I was waiting for some rejection, and it was like also a whole number like 90. Target
Okay.
as again time high. So I was waiting for rejection. As soon as it reached this level, I took a sell here, and my
Okay.
team was just I was like I
Uh,
just need one more pip to pass. I was targeting liquidity sweep. Okay. Okay, my peak was somewhere in here. Okay, below this week, it came till here, and like I thought it will hit because the
Okay.
price was so bearish. I thought it will definitely hit. I slept off. Then
Yeah.
it just missed here and went hit as well. Then another trade I waited. This was like just before London. I was waiting. So this area I had marked. As
Okay.
soon as I tested, I went long.
Uh,
So I think actually I exited the position here only, exactly at 95.
clean one.
No, clean one in the sense I just passed. If I had holded a minute, like I think it would have tested my patience again. Two trades being near SL in a single day, that would have been like really pissing off. I think it will go up, man. Like I think it already cleared
Yeah,
everything.
like gold is super bullish right now.
Do we have anything today?
No, 6 p.m. there is
CRS.
yeah, core retail sales.
Okay, so another 23 minutes. Cool. Let's see. I think this won't have much of an impact.
I don't know. Let's see.
I mean, USD, if it come like anyhow, gold is bullish only. It will continue to go up faster. Even I actually had this long plan last week itself. So basically, I was looking at somewhere break and retest in this
Okay.
level. Long. That exactly happened. Can you see? Like I had marked this sometime last Sunday, and
Okay.
Monday, what exactly happened? It broke and retest this level again. Then boom, easy. Like it was crazy trade. Easy
Yeah,
300.
it's a clean one. Even Euro is looking
But
good.
I didn't take that trade. I just marked it and kept it. I was
Okay.
like, I think I didn't have an account or I passed my account. Something was there.
Okay. Have you looked at nasdaq? It is also looking like super bullish.
I don't
From
trade. I, what is the
NQ,
name?
NQ. Just search NQ. The first one. Yeah, the
The
first
mini.
one. Yeah. Just click on the arrow mark on the left side. Okay,
This
fine.
one.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. The chart. Like I had never traded Nasdaq.
Okay.
Oh,
It's also
what is? Yeah.
yeah. From the morning, like it is rallying like anything,
Oh wow.
and it's an all-time high. Yeah, all-time high.
Mm, sorry about my cat. She's in heat. I have to get her to the vet. Wait, I'll just mute this. So, what is the today plan about?
Like I'm also looking for some kind of rejections in Nasdaq and also gold. It is super bullish like gold. It's completely bullish. And like what a rally.
Sorry, I was muted. Nasdaq is also all-time high.
Yeah, Nasdaq is all-time high.
Wow. I have not traded, but chart is like
Like you have to buy CME data here. Your chart is delayed.
okay. Oh,
Uh,
that extension which is needed.
we have to buy it.
You can share your screen.
It I'll show.
Kitty claims gold go to bullish. Gold is already bullish.
Yeah, look at this. From morning, like it is rallying like anything. But still, like we're having a gap over here. We might find some follow up on the higher side, and then it might fill the gap, and then again the market will go up. So this is what I'm expecting. So there might be some corrections on the higher side. That is what exactly I'm expecting. But
Okay.
let's see, like we're having news at 6 p.m. and the market opens at 7 p.m. Indian time. So I'm just expecting like a very good fall on the downside for a short term. So I'm expecting these gaps to get filled, and then again the market may rally on the high side. So this is what I'm expecting right now. And even forex like Euro USD is also bullish.
Which one?
Euro USD, Euro USD.
Yeah. USD also is pushing. I saw the chart.
Yeah, I
How
saw.
many guys do you follow?
Sorry.
How many instruments do you follow?
I used to trade like in gold and then Euro USD and then Nasdaq. Only three.
3. Okay.
And to watch SMT, I'll refer S&P 500. And other than that, like I'll trade only USD and gold and then nasdaq. That's it.
Okay. But gold rejected 700 level very good. 3700.
uh,
It went there, dropped how many? 3708. Exactly 100 pips.
Here.
100 pips goes there. Cool. Let's wait for the news and see what it.
Yeah, just waiting for news.
So I think it gold will break and go push up.
Huh? Gold.
Gold, gold will.
Yeah.
I think gold will come down to grab few orders. Then it will push up.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, we are missing out. People have asked a lot of questions.
They also want you to talk in Malayalam.
No, I no, I don't like. I'm a Malayali only, but I don't want to speak in Malayalam online. Like, because people are all around the world. They are extremely careful. Everyone can. Okay, let's see some questions. How does confidence differ from overconfidence in trading? So confidence is basically like a good way to put it. Basically, confidence, like you understand your setup and you take the trade irrespective, keeping the proper stop loss and take profit. Overconfidence is not keeping the stop loss and going full margin on the single trade. That's called overconfidence. Like that would be the easiest example. Let's see. So many messages have come. Oh my god, I missed it. Rishi bro, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Hand pink waving. Someone mass play. Rishi is absolutely happy and good. Look, he has new mic on our setup.
No, this is my old setup, not new one.
Why risk management part of psychology as well as strategy? Yeah, because risk management is very very important in psychology as well. So assume you have like only $10,000 account. Would you risk the entire capital on a single trade? No, right? We would like to take multiple trades on a single account. So and when you're risking 10,000 on a single trade, you will panic, you will have a lot of issues. You will close your trade midway. Even if it goes in small drawdown, you will feel like closing. Same goes for even if it goes on little profit also. And strategy is also equally important. If you don't have a strategy, like randomly take a trade, you will be always in an anxiety, like, oh my god, what will happen, what will happen. So both are equally important. Okay, gold is slowly. What do you think, Rishi? I think gold will. Do you think gold will reverse from 90 or it will come again down
No,
and then?
no, we can't expect the market to fall and all. Like I'm just expecting some kind of manipulation on the downside. Then again, the
See,
market.
that's what that level. What I'm looking at is below 90, and another level is below 85.
Yeah. So just waiting for a quick like sweep on the lower side and then waiting
Yeah,
for a reversal trade. That would be a perfect one.
exactly. But in news, the problem is sometimes it just drops and moves up immediately if it's
Yeah.
on a. Okay, GPP USD. Okay. Where is bro Hermani and Rosa? Hermani had a emergency meeting, so he had to drop by. Rosa, I'm not sure. I need to check. Proud moment from Kerala. Okay. Actually, I was born and brought up in Coimbatore, so I'm more of a Tamil guy. But it's okay. I belong to all states. Nothing is called emotion, only fear. If you can't accept that, you will risk for money. You manage to recover, then accept that, and they can. So, I don't know what so much. Okay, okay. Gold is manipulating, trying. Let's see. So, how was the last week trades?
No. Like I'm
Mine,
building.
I'll be very honest. Okay, I never had this losing streak ever in my life.
Okay.
Okay, and in that, let's assume 10 trades.
Okay.
Okay, 8 trades near TP. 0.6 pip, 0.1 pip, 2 pip difference. It just reverses and comes in it. stop loss. Okay,
Okay.
8 trades like that. In another 2 trades, probably one would be my mistake where completely went. Another will go hit SL, then immediately come and hit TP. So I don't know what is happening, but yeah, like last week been very bad. So that's why I actually wanted to start looking at trend trades. So I'm practicing now trend trades. Well, I usually just take counter trend trades, 100 pips. Now, after seeing so many people taking trend trades and stacking up accounts, I actually want to start doing that as well. Like it's not something which I don't want to do, but
Even in the trending market, you can just find some kind of manipulation on the lower side, and then you can go for it. Right?
Mhm.
You can go along with the trend.
Hmm. Any thoughts on funding pips daily payouts? It's actually good, Boji. I initially got scared. Okay, what was the ad? Was they introduced a new model, and I thought they nerfed my current model. I was so sad. Oh no, because that's my favorite challenging model. And when I got to when they gave an extra option, it is actually the best model right now in the market as well as in the platform space. Okay, that's one of the best model. Like you have an option to choose weekly payout and daily payouts. The only daily payout is basically 35 consistency rule,
Challenge
because
phase.
the in only in challenge phase is actually good. Like if you are looking at the daily payout level, it's actually good. So both combined with the flexibility, it's one of the best account I would say, and I would recommend everyone to look at the rules and figure out if that suits for you guys.
And 20% offer is running on.
Yeah, yeah. FP20 is running on. I think today is the last day for it. I already stacked 3 accounts yesterday. Ethereum, I don't think I don't trade crypto. I think Rishi also doesn't
No,
trade
no,
crypto.
no, no.
So the 35% consistency is also not very bad. You can plan a good trade 1:2 every day, basically. And if you have a good win rate, you will pass in 3 days. If you have a decent win rate, I believe in a week you can pass the phase.
Exactly.
Bro and Anish, when you started trading, would you begin with scalping, intraday, or swing trading? I started trading like just enter a trade. I don't know what will happen. So that was my situation. So right now, scalping works for someone, intraday works for someone. Just identify what you need, whether how much effort you can put it in trading. Depending on that, you can define your trading style. I am personally an intraday trader these days. I think Rishi is more like a.
No, I scalp a lot when
Yeah.
I started, but I started with options like Indian market options buying, and that's what I started learning. That's how my journey actually started. Then later I came to know about proforms. Then after knowing about proforms, I shifted completely. No,
You
no,
you trade ICT, right?
yeah, I trade ICT.
How was it? Like I saw your stream. How was it to stream with uh, Jade the other day?
Jade cap.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was actually a very good stream, and I gained more insights from him. Like I just want to interact with him, so I just interacted with him, and what are the doubts that I'm having, I just asked him a lot.
You should be on the other side, not sitting next to get. Okay, another question. Rishi bro, Anand bro, what do you think gold is good to trade in first prop account? See, gold is very volatile, okay, and
Yeah.
you can easily pass at the same time. You can easily fail unless or until you understand how market moves and what the market structure is. To be honest, last few days, forget days, few weeks, gold is on a bullish rally. If you have taken buy position anywhere at any point on every pullback, you would have passed your face perform accounts. You would have made money for sure, because market is completely on a higher high, going up and up up. Only on pullbacks, if you are taking a bigger lots, you will get stopped out. Otherwise, lower lots, you are looking at profit like at any positions.
Yeah, if you're going for like lower positions and all, like we can hold the trade even during pullbacks. But taking higher positions, then we have to go trade in the pullbacks, not in the higher levels or lower levels.
So what's your insight on AUD cat? I have never traded AUD cat, so I really can't like comment about it. What's your monthly ROI on funded account? See, there is no monthly ROI. I think that's a very wrong measurement of trading at all. Like the money should not be the measurement. Money is just an outcome. Measurement is how consistent and how often you're executing your trades. This is something I learned very late. Money is just a good outcome out of it, but
When I start and those Instagram reels, like the people will start flexing those profits and all that actually emotionally triggered me. Like why I'm not making money and all.
that's
Then
a very
at some point, what I did is like I'll just click on that reel and long click, and then I'll click don't recommend. That's it.
no. That's I feel Rishi. That's a very see. For
Yeah,
an example, assume we are trading in some few accounts. Okay, if we are setting our target to like $10,000 payout, okay,
yeah,
and that will immensely put your pressure. Like it works on different people. For me personally, it will put more pressure on me. I am tend to make more mistakes that time. So
nah,
or else I'm just sticking to my plan. Forget about the end goal. Like payout will come. Like 1:2 trades on 100K consistently. If you take it's 10K. Like but when you force yourself that 10K is what I need to hit, you will
yeah,
definitely break and fail. And also it works differently for different people. For me it's not the driving factor. For me, like of course money is good, but for me the driving factor is to trade consistently or according to my plan.
yeah. To be honest, like if you want to become a profitable trader, all you have to do is to follow risk management and then psychology. That is the most important part. Win rate and all, like it's nothing.
No, win rate is fine. Strategies like see right now my DMs everyone asking please tell strategies,
Yeah,
please tell
sad. Yeah.
no, my strategies. I have openly told my two favorite entries. I take other entries also, but lower percentage levels. But I've already shared. People still they can't believe my strategy is very simple. Like who takes sell like this?
If you just go to funding ticks dashboard, like lead report, and the person, I don't know the person at all, like his or her name is Ali, and with 25K account, like she's the hashtag one in lead report, and she made like around $6,500 in profit. But if you look at her win rate, like it is just 44%. And if you look at her average win and then average loss, its average loss is around $78 and average win is 180 something dollars. But if you look at the losing streak, like she had a 20 losing streak, 20 continuous
But
losing
what is
streak.
the percentage she lost in that losing streak? Will be less
Yeah,
than.
that is what I'm saying. She is risking very low and then aiming for like 1:2. But the thing, like even though she had like 20 losing streak, still she somehow control her emotions, right? So
See,
with just 44% win rate, like she is the hashtag one in funding text dashboard. So
I,
win rate is nothing if you're emotionally strong, and then if you follow proper risk management, then like everyone can become a profitable trader. But that is the hardest part.
that is see that's the emotion part. Even if see the most hurtful thing is losing your profits. That's where you get tilted the most.
Yeah,
Even if
agree.
it's $100 or $500, that part like still a lot of people are trying to master it, but it takes time. How to
Agree.
pass with 35% consistency? Explain. It's pretty simple. Per day, for example, you need to make uh, let's make assume $100, right, to pass. So per day you can't take more than like
$35.
what is $35, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can't take $35 more than $35 a day. So depending on this is depending on your passing amount. Okay, so if you take $40 again, the balance won't be deducted, but you have to balance it out by making more profits, averaging it out in the next day or the consecutive days. So ideally, I would plan personally keep my TP around 36%. Okay, for an example, I keep 36%. When it closes at 35. So that's what I would do.
correct.
Do you do this? I usually keep my TP 1%, 0.5% more
Yeah,
than the
due
days.
to spread, right?
Huh?
Due to
Yeah,
spread.
spread
Uh,
and commissions. Because I have personally lost 2 3 accounts just by needed. You can achieve like $10,000, but achieving the $2 $3 is very tilting.
yeah, that is hard. Like in futures, like we won't be having spreads and all.
Yeah,
But
splits and
in the
commission.
CFDs, like we'll be having spread. So what I'll do, like if I'm having a consistent score, like I'll just keep that exact profit amount as my target point. So obviously it is going to close somewhat lesser. That's completely fine with me. That is what I do.
Okay. I usually try to pass the trade so that I usually keep like 0. Depending on the account, like usually 0.05 I keep more or 0.10%.
One day in a firm like Fitch's firm, like I just took a trade and then I forgot the trade. So the
Wish
next
I had
day,
done it in 2013.
the next day when I went to saw the position, like no, not next day, then the same day, like after 2 3 hours, and like I just watched the market, it was like 30,000 something profit, and it's in challenge phase. So
Okay.
how I'll meet the consistent is gonna. So I just cancel the subscription. Like no, there's no way to achieve the score again.
Oh, you can't now. You have to make minus in order to bust the account. That is
Yeah.
also a
Uh,
possible. Okay, how much more time? Another 4 minutes news.
yeah.
I got a bad cold. That's true. Consistency rule is much easier in evaluation than master. Master, actually, in a way, it's good. Assume in master you are getting a good trade and you are not getting restricted. If you make $10,000 also, you can request payout immediately, which is a game changer actually.
Yeah. Daily payouts.
Yeah, it's actually like I'm
And
considering to have one account daily payout and two accounts weekly payouts.
let's see.
Well, how much is minimum consistency rate is required? Minimum consistency rate, there is no consistency rule for other accounts. Only this new account, if you choose daily payout, you have a consistency, 35% consistency.
And also, like if you choose on demand 90% in two-step funding pips, you'll be having consistency in
Master, yes.
master account. And also, like where you're choosing instant account, that is also it will get you'll have consistency score.
What is a what is some confidence leaving them all by themselves? I have no idea what this means. Any tips for a pass, a challenge, and for risk management? Uh, it's pretty simple. Like try to have a good risk management. Basically, I my personal risk management is challenge phase is basically 2% for a trade. Live is strict 1%. I target 1:3. That's pretty much the secret formula. It was thank you Mario. I actually like the name Mario. My entire childhood. My hair is so bad today. I think news is there in another 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Two.
Not 3 minutes, 2 minutes.
Okay. Let's see. Are you planning to take a trade?
Let's see. If I get good entry, I'll go for it.
I'm actually done with the accounts today.
Oh.
I don't have an account to trade. You are currently max allocated as well, right?
Yeah, max allocated.
Okay, it's coming down. Let's see. Or else, I probably looking at how it moves 86, it can come 84, 85. Let me just look at the chart once. Per day 35% or illa per trade per day 35%. Rishi, tell me one thing. Assume if I make 40% by mistake. Okay. I can take two trades as stop loss. Like, I mean, I can
Yeah,
take
yeah,
two
yeah. You
loss
can.
and I can reduce down, right?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay. It's news is out, guys. What is the data? Okay. It's positive for US. We didn't move much. Okay, where is the level? I'm not able to see fully. 30. Did it reach the 86?
No, wait.
You don't look at order blocks.
I'll
Uh,
watch. I don't know why it's going.
Let me check it, mine. I would have marked the levels. Oh, it actually hit an order block. 15 minutes. 87, it was there.
It is also tapping the resistance level, but let's wait for some confirmation.
So you usually you are an IC trader, so same no. Uh, can you please do analysis on EU? EU I can check. GU probably it's been a while since I saw the chart. I think EU is on a bullish trajectory as well. Okay, I think gold will start pushing up now. I forgot your entry model, Rishi. I think last time you did take an entry or something.
Oh, sorry.
I forgot your entry model.
My way of trading is simple. Like I'll just go with the trend, or I'll find some kind of manipulation. The only thing I'll do is like I'll try to find some manipulation, either on the swing highs or lows.
Do you consider right now what's happening is a manipulation?
Yeah, like these swing lows, right? So
Yeah.
like I'll wait for reversal. Like just because the market is breaking this swing low, like I won't consider it as a manipulation. I'll wait for some kind of reversal on the high side.
Okay, reversal and on market structure shift you would wait
Yeah,
or
not
okay.
market section for either. I'll always go, like sometimes I'll go with CISD. Like you can call it
Chalk
as order block. Yeah.
chalk you
Order.
would.
No, no, no. Like change and start delivery is like same kind of order block, but CASD.
Okay.
So well, wait for the market to reverse, and then in retracement, I'll go for the trade. If the momentum is too good, I'll go with the breaker blocks. And if I'm not seeing that much momentum at all, I'll wait for some kind of deep retracements. Then I'll go with either order blocks or fair value gaps or inversion fair value gaps. It
Okay.
depends.
Cool. Let's see. Come on, gold push up. You know why I'm asking gold to push up?
Why?
If it rallies today, tomorrow morning I'll get my entry. Like actually a couple of people reached out to me that they started taking this entry.
Now,
Okay, rejection, rejection, rejection. I like these candles when they're reversing. So whenever on a time frame you want to see a reversal, the candle will start shrinking. For example, if it's falling down, the bearish candle slowly will get wicked out. Then it changes to green. Then strong green starts in. So that's when you should start like placing orders. Like just a confirmation for your, you can just add it on.
nowadays, what I'm doing is like I'm not like entering once the manipulation kicks in. Like sometimes what will happen is like it will give you a perfect reversal kind of signals, like a perfect structure shift and then a perfect retracement. And then once you start entering the trade, it will go higher and then again it will reverse and reach a stop loss, and then again start moving on the higher side.
Market is evolving.
Yeah. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll just wait for some kind of like I'll just wait for some time, even though if the market gave you entry, I'll just wait, and then if there is manipulation, that is high probability setup. Again, I'll enter the trade, or else like I'll just wait, and after some time, the market will start more on the high side. That is where you'll get high probability setups.
Okay. Okay. Now I think your entry was something like this. Okay, it's moving now. Oh, tomorrow is big day, right?
What's tomorrow? Wait, I'll just check.
What are you saying? The whole world is waiting for tomorrow.
Oh, FOMC.
Like, a lot of people are going very heavy bullish on BTC. How your counter trend trading system working in trading market? It's working okay, but I'm just hitting my stop losses. It's like so. The problem is for me, I go for 1:3, and if not, if in challenge phase, I strictly don't move myself or
Okay.
take passes. That's something I make like I have made a rule. So that's not giving me a good win rate currently, but that's not the same case on live. I usually move the entry to B or even 1:1 on live. The thing is, I don't want to break it because it has pushed me to where I am. So it works. It's just that in the current market condition, it's not working. So I,
Yeah, we have to adapt to the
yeah,
market conditions, right? Not every trade is a counter trend, but still, like if it is working for you, you can just go for it. In that case, you can just go for scalping.
scalping is too. See, the problem with me scalping, right? I sometimes hedge. Like buy sell, I might do. That's the biggest issue with me. Oh, someone has commented, "Vazhithukal, vazhithukal."
Do you know the joke
Which joke?
that vartical, vartical?
No, like
No,
probably said. No,
no.
no, I don't think.
It's by
Just
Rajini.
like I would remember if I see the reel or something. Just send me.
He was actually arriving in airport, and some reporter will say "Annir vartical," and he'll say vartical, vartical.
Okay. Okay. Where are the others today? I think everyone are busy trading. Oh man, I'm not liking how gold is moving.
This is what is happening these days. Like once you find some manipulation, you'll enter in the trade and you'll hit your stop loss, and then again it will start reversing. So in that case, it's better we can wait for secondary trades and to enter into the trade.
But non see again, not many people will have the patience to wait
Yeah,
again.
that is more important. Like patience when it comes to these kind of entries, you need more.
I would have actually taken an entry at 86. Like I actually took an entry at 86.
Which here?
Uh, 1 second. No, in the like in during London.
Okay, 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 fine.
London volume pushed it up. In the monthly competition, they're making 1.1 million to 3. What is this about? Is
Like
that
the
internal
competition, free
the tour?
competition.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
tournament kind of thing.
I have not checked out the section. Sorry. I mean, it is possible to
There is
make.
more in the tournaments.
It is possible to make 1 million. Yes, like 10 lot you open, gold has rallied more than like a
Yeah,
million.
it depends on the market condition too. Like if the market, the whole month is range means, then they can't make that much money at all. But
Yeah,
if it is a trending market, there are high chances if they risk more, they can make much money.
totally agree. I think gold is. Oof. Okay, another level is at 86. We don't have any other news, right?
No.
Next level is at 86. Then probably if it breaks. Oh wow, there is nothing down actually. It took the liquidity at 75. Like if it
Uh,
goes down.
you can share your screen.
Oh, sorry, I thought I was.
Yeah, you can share your screen now.
Yeah, I thought I was sharing screen. Can you see?
No.
Liquidity, no.
Yeah,
Ah,
now you can please.
this liquidity is already swept, so there is nothing here. Okay, so here we have some resistance, but if it crosses here, then probably we might see it drop. But I don't think.
But that too a short term downside move. You can
Yeah,
scalp.
yeah. So, no, not short term, man. Look at this. If it crosses here, some how much 73, 150 pip move we can get. Like if it crosses here, like this level, if it crosses.
Okay.
Let's see if it's supporting this area I have marked and kept.
But like it is actually looking super bearish right now.
Even in 1 hour, it is looking very shit. So much stuff.
Line.
Don't ever keep your charts like this, guys. So cluttered. See, it respected. It's respecting.
Let's wait. Still there is no sign. Let's wait.
We have to wait. Just respecting this level is what I'm saying. Rishi, you have any pets? No. Why are you laughing?
Yeah, like I bought Shih Tzu uh, a few months back, like around 6 or 7 months back.
Okay.
It's a newborn, and then what I did is like I just took it to the veterinary doctor,
Okay.
and he asked me like where did you bought. I told like some Sanda
Okay.
market. Okay,
Okay.
and then he started shouting at me like, "Why you're actually killing those pets? Like they don't have like vaccine certificate and so on." So then I start feeling guilty. Then then I returned the pet to the uh,
Hold
owner.
on.
Yeah.
Actually, you should be taking care of it more, right? Ideally.
Yeah, I'm ready to it, but the way he explained me, like,
That's true.
that triggered me a lot. Still, it is looking bearish. Let's see.
1 minute. In 10 minutes, it's still bearish only. But I
Mhm.
like this wick. If it another 1 minute, if it closes and opens like this, I would probably still go ahead with looking for buys only. Bullish day, yes. Okay, I like this candle. Come on, breaks 18, 15, 14. You wait for candle break and close, right?
Depends on the condition. If I see a very good manipulation on a key level, then I won't look for a closure. I'll even go for 15 seconds time frame to enter the trade. So in some cases, so it depends on the condition. If the setup is not that good, then I'll wait for a closure, or else I'll enter when it breaks.
I also wait at only the key levels. For example, if I want to take a trade at the bottom support or on the top resistance, I will look for the candle close below that or above. What kind of model you both using daily? Okay, that's a like trading model. Probably like I use something like session shift and liquidity sweeps.
I look for manipulation. Then I'll enter. That's it. That's my actual setup.
Okay, biggest mistake. Okay, this is epic. Okay, this is the first time I'm using C Trader. Never used C Trader before. This is the first time I'm using CT. I bought it by mistake. Okay, so I think somewhere when you purchase, whenever a new platform comes, that will be the default option selected. You have to change every time when you are checking out. You see right now in funding pip, you see C Trader, uh, Match Trader, and Meta Trader. Okay, there were times where Meta Trader was not available because of some issues. So that time only C Trader and Match Trader was there. I usually trade Match Trader. Once I bought C Trader by mistake. Okay, I didn't know how to take a trade first of all, but my entry came. I was so this 100K account. I instead of buy, I took a sell. Okay, then I didn't even realize it was sell. Then I kept my stop loss and take profit, and I forgot about it. But the trade turned out to me in my favor. So it was the end of the day. So that is one of the biggest mistake I would say. And these days, whenever I move to a new platform, I try to learn about it first.
Yeah. I mean, the basic elements are same in all platforms, but we have to go with the UI. UI is different.
So yeah, Rishi is planning to buy, but only if he sees little more of a setup. But right now in small frame, it looks bearish only. Small time frame. So there are few traders who will enter a buy here and keep SL here. Just few traders like me only. A good support level. I used to take trades before like this, just below the support level. So yeah, I got like I was very lucky in the last few years, but not last few weeks. Oh, did I? Oh, the biggest mistake. That's even more like funny thing. So I had a live account in Funding Pip. I had 4% or 4.5% drawdown. Okay, it's a pro account. It was a beautiful trade. It was in a support level. I placed the buy. Rishi, I placed buy. I was setting take profit stop loss in MetaTrader. I placed buy. I was
Yeah.
manually drawing line. Okay,
Mm.
I set TP. Okay, stop loss. I'm drawing line. It's not set. Then suddenly it disappeared. Then I saw one red candle from somewhere. It just came, took out my account, and guess what? Next candle it came back to where I was
Is it a
just.
news scandal?
Huh?
Is it a news scandal?
No, no news, nothing. It's in Tokyo.
Oh.
Okay, you know how like it was so tilting. Forget that it went to TP 1:6 or 1:7. If I'm risking $1,000, like I'm looking at $7,000 and it's good trade. I don't know from where that red candle came. And
My
it was in a support zone. I was waiting for a liquidity grab. I thought liquidity grab will happen like maybe 1.5 pip or 2 pip. It grabbed 160 pip.
my one of the worst mistake is like I was in a challenge phase and I took a trade, and in a single trade it almost went to the profit target. Okay, and I forgot that there is a news by mistake. But what happened is during the news it actually hits my profit target. But what I thought is okay, there is a 5%, sorry, 5 minutes rule, right? So before and after all. So I
There,
thought it is also in challenge phase.
oh, shit.
So I just held the trade and then
It became
reversed
back.
it. Yeah, it came back. It completely reversed. So even the profit target hits, and I
See,
thought,
the best time to trade news is mark your levels. Okay, like right now there is no levels, only down we can mark for gold. Okay, in case if market is ranging at a good level, we can mark the key level support and resistance where if news comes it will go there and wait for the time to shift. then probably start looking at entries.
I recently started studying about fundamentals also. That is actually helping me a lot to understand what this news is actually about. For
Okay.
example, like CPI, like how, and if the CPI news is released, then how the banks will react to it. And even though, for example, let's say when it comes to futures, like tech earnings is more important. So even though there is a good earnings report, sometimes after the earnings report, we'll be having a Fed news. So what happens is like even though the earnings reports are too good, but if the Fed news is negative, then the market will completely fall, even though it will wipe the whole tech earnings report and all. So fundamental is also helping, but I'm just trying to study these days.
Okay. Hopefully you teach me also. Like I didn't want to study fundamentals. I don't know why. Like
That would
because
help actually. Like I used to follow some guys in Twitter. They'll post lot about fundamentals, so I'll just go through it. And also there is one Tamil guy also, and I talked to him like I asked him to like how we can proceed with the fundamentals, and then he'll send some videos and all. So I'm just going through it.
okay. I usually when I before start trading, like so Tokyo though I am very safe. Like I don't have to
Hmm.
do anything. But in case if I'm planning before I used to first check the news before entering the trade. Okay, first
Yeah.
check the news. Every day what is the most impacted news? Why? Because I want to exit my trade before news. That's the main reason I check the news. Yeah, yeah. He will teach us one day, half an hour.
So I'm just revamping my program. So I'm just studying those things too, to teach my members.
Okay. Hopefully I get access. No, the problem is I don't have time to access anything. Like very, very busy these days. But gold is not giving that move. Usually this time gold will like during the other streams, no? Especially Kasif. During his stream, gold will like move however like the volume will push it. I was like whenever I stream, gold is not moving only. Whenever he streams, like gold will like good TP. Next trade, good TP in another 5-10 minutes. Look at the volume, how bad it is, even on a good trading day. It's just ranging, ranging, ranging.
The worst. I mean, patience is what matters more in trading.
Yeah. So in another half an hour, we'll get to know when
Yeah.
work opens. The news was not much of an impact. I don't think you will get free access for
No,
this.
I think he is actually a member. I think so.
Oh, okay, so he will get.
Then he'll get.
Rishi, bro, I'm taking constant profits with 8 pips, scalping, risking 20. I only look for a single candle to TP. Like, I need to know that everyone's saying 50 to 60 pip movement. What about that? Sarwan, if it like, okay, it's Rishi's question, still I'll
No,
answer.
whether yeah, you can answer.
Yeah, if you're making money, like, why you worried about other people telling 60 pip or anything? If it's working for you, go ahead, do that continuously. Stack up. Even small pips stacking up will give you a good profit as well.
The thing is like we have to identify what is working for us. Then we have to stick with it. But like, are you risking 20 pips to capture 8 pips? And if that's the case, like, what's your win rate?
Yeah, that what matters.
That's what matters.
If it's 100%, then no issues.
See how to identify manipulation in market. Please get just go with higher time frames. Then you can easily find manipulation in key levels. For example, let's say it's in 1 hour time frame, right? And you can able to see the market is super bullish. It is making high rise. So each lows like in higher time frame, like for example these lows or these lows or these lows, these are the key levels where you can expect manipulation. See, you can expect, don't predict the markets and all. You can expect manipulation in these levels. So once the market breaches these levels, then if you're seeing a quick displacement on the opposite side, like a very strong displacement on the opposite side, then you can use any concepts to enter into the trade. You can use either, if you're having indicators, you can use that, or if you're using support distance also, you can use that, or if you're using ICT concept, you can enter in a retracement. So identifying key levels is where you can expect manipulation. So just go with higher time frames, don't go with lower time frames, because like in lower time frame there'll be more noises. In lower time frames, just go with higher time frames and go with the direction and find manipulation key levels.
$20, not 20 pips. But y- see, you have to tell us in pips. If you are risking how many pips to make 8 pips?
Yeah, can you give the name of the videos from where you learn fundamentals? There are plenty of videos. Hmm. I'll suggest on Twitter ID. I don't know whether it's public or not. It's, I don't know. Can I mention the name in live?
I have no idea. Yeah,
Then you can just text me on Insta. I'll let you know the
better.
name. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I think today's market is very like we can't take trade any trade right now. I think it has to New York has to open.
If you're risking 3 pips to capture 8 pips, then it is a good one, good scalp.
1:2.2 you are making,
Yeah.
and with just 70% win rate, you should be like very good.
Oh, oh, shit. Your screen was sharing, right? So I was
Right?
explaining from my screen.
Oh, sorry. Wait,
Yeah, that's
maybe
fine. That's fine. That's fine. Like Mario asked me about the manipulation, right? So I was actually explaining in my screen. Then someone said like share your screen. Uh,
I was just looking at my screen.
wait. I'll just explain again. Uh,
Okay, I'll stop. Right.
yeah, wait. I'll share. Can you able to see it?
Yeah, yeah, we can see.
Wait, where is trading view? Yeah, all right. So if someone wants to find manipulation, just go with higher time frames. Like either you can choose 1 hour. That's fine. Okay, just find the trend. Like just look at the trend. If the market is making high rise, it is uptrend. If the market is making low lows, it's downtrend. And if it is consolidating, like it's in range, like just wait for the breakout to happen. So if you're seeing a clear uptrend, then identify the swing lows, either this swing lows or this one or this one. So these are the areas where you can expect manipulation on the lower side. So what you can do is just wait for these levels to break on the lower side, then expect a quick displacement on the higher side, a very strong displacement on the higher side. Then you can confirm, okay, this is actually manipulation. Then you can enter using any concept. If you're using ICT, just wait for some confirmation like structure shift, and then you can enter in the retracement using any other PD areas. Like if the momentum is too good, you can use breakup blocks, or else like you can just go with fair value caps or inversion fair value caps. Or else like if you're using any indicators like moving average and all, just wait for the market to support those levels, then you can just go for it. So go just go with the trend and identify manipulation on the opposite side of the trend. So that is where you can find clean rates. You can't expect daily entries and all, but at least like in a month, at least if you are getting like 4 or 5 entries, that is a very good um, like method to reach more profits. The clean method, like you don't need to rush and all. It's just a very patient method, but you have to practice a lot. So this is one of the good way to find manipulation.
Look at
Uh,
how it's consolidating in that level.
yeah, just give me a minute.
Sure. Are you guys on a trade? Like any active trades, guys?
Always start with firm
Profit, yes.
profit.
Small money, big capital, and
Yeah,
it takes a lot of discipline. You are forced to learn discipline for sure. Like that's the best way you can know be a better trader. So that's the same level I have also marked.
which one? This one.
Yeah,
I think it is going to move on the downside. I think we can plan some trades.
sell trade.
Yeah,
I would maybe let if that level crosses, then probably yeah, 84 and below. Such a bullish market suddenly changed. Do you trade DAX?
no.
I didn't even know what DAX is
I don't-
until
Same.
a few weeks back. Yes, you can copy trade live and challenge phase also on the new funding pip rule.
Hmm.
What is US stock trading?
Where's the question?
Can you suggest a genuine prop firm for US stock trading? I don't know what like, it means.
If you're in India, then you can't.
Yeah, like prop firm.
Prop firm. Oh, funding ticks, you can just go for it, right?
Yeah, that's what I was confused. But yeah, German 40 is equal to DAX. Still, like I don't trade German 40, but yeah,
Hi, bro. I'm doing good. How are you?
Taj Forex.
He is also my member.
Settings.
No. Yeah, you can do Rohan. You can do. But all those accounts, like your master account, has to be a funding pips account, as well as the slave account also has to be a funding pips account. You can copy trade between your funding pips account. That is allowed.
Have you like? Yeah, I never used a copy trader. Like I should
I
start using.
tried once using a cloud copy trader, but that's the worst one. Pips are like the execution is not that good. I mean, they are in actually beta stage.
Three
So
accounts, I think. Okay, like I usually take trades in two accounts max to max, so manually works for me now.
yeah,
But it will be an issue if you're try to trade some high volume hours. Okay, finally, I think it's breaking down. If it breaks and closes below 84, probably we can start looking. Looking for sells. US stock futures. Yeah. Ticks, you can check it out. Ticks, I failed miserably twice. Like the chart is was very hard for me to identify only.
Which one?
Like when I was looking at ticks, I tried two accounts so far, but it was unsuccessful so far.
It is actually looking good and just brand with still cheap.
So slow, so slow.
Does funding pips have futures? Yeah, funding ticks. Trade at a thing la. No, bro. Like for the past 2 weeks, I'm not taking any trades.
2 weeks. Oh, you were busy in something
Yeah,
else.
I'm building.
Actually, it's good only. Otherwise, you kept constantly worrying about trades.
Like it's about to launch, so that's why I'm just working on it.
Okay, perfect. I'll get early access, right? Yeah, she's in heat right now. That's the problem. I adopted her recently. Trade buy or sell. It's at a place where both can happen. If it breaks below, we can look for a sell. If it breaks above or rejection comes, we have to start looking for buys. That level is like, look at how many candles it has created.
Mm,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my god. I think the whole stream was it's consolidating there.
that is not giving a perfect entry.
How well do you backtest when starting out another? I never back like oh, where is Ace? Ace is lying there somewhere. I don't know where is he. Regarding the backtest, I did backtest when I had a continuous losing streak. Then I backtested once. Then post that I am not backtested. I actually prefer forward testing, but it's again personal preference. I don't want to comment on it.
Forward testing, you can also test your emotions too.
Yeah, exactly. Like backward testing will just make you think how stupid you
Mm.
are, how stupid you were, and future in
Then it
fun.
helps. Backtesting works, but still, like when it comes to live market, it's totally different. So forward testing is more effective than backtesting.
We have 5 indie dogs. That's nice. Rishi, I don't think any trades is gonna play out.
Let's wait.
Oh, American dream. Have you guys been to Bangalore? I live in Bangalore.
going for a sell one.
Hmm. Okay. How many pips or how many pips do you keep SL and how many pips DP?
In that case, like if you want to keep tighter stop loss, there are high chances that it will hit.
Okay.
But still, let's wait for some time. Like, but the thing is, like, it is trying to move on the downside again. It is reversing. Ah, it is playing range.
Most pro traders stayed lower time frame because the entry model will be better in trend frame. Like, and also SL, you can have a small SL as well. If you take an entry at 15 minutes, like if you want to keep below the structure, like it will be literally like 60, 70 pips or 80 pips. Whereas in 1 minute, you will feel better entry model. Which broker you are used? Uh, I can't answer that here.
Never account broker.
Yeah, my back testing generator 70. You mean the win rate? That's actually a decent win rate. Decent, not good win rate. My actual win rate in the funding pip dashboard is 45. Like including challenges. Like live probably will be more, but challenge phase, my win rate should be like ideally lesser. So what did you focus on to master your approach to trading? Psychology. I focused on it a lot. Still, I fail sometimes, like yesterday, day before yesterday. But in live market, not good, disappointing. Okay. So another student of yours, I guess. Okay, it's going up now. But Rishi, as soon as you decided to take a sell, it's moving up. You didn't take, right?
No, 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 no. But still, I'm looking for sales. Let's wait. And also, like it is actually key level in one time frame.
That's what like it should either break in order for you
Yeah,
to.
if there is a strong down close candle on the downside, I'll just go for sell trade. Chat and business.
If it respects this, probably if it breaks above 60, 89, probably we should long only. If it goes above 90 or 89. So if you are planning to take buy, what should be your confidence right now? Like
In
from
the
where you personally take buy?
I'll just wait for some kind of reversal on the high side. At least the market should take these levels, and
Okay,
I'll
that's
wait for retracement. Without retracement, I won't enter into buy trade.
that is around 92.
Yeah,
So that's a solid 50 pip move from here. Yes, I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. I still watch whenever I feel low or whenever I want to watch something. Why restless patience? I'm not taking a trade. I'm just making Rishi nervous.
Eh, It is ranging a lot.
Yeah, I think when New York open only, you will get a clear direction. I feel.
Hmm.
I think it will range for another 30 minutes also. Oh, I like this candle. Come on, little more. Just break and another green. I never attended a competition. Have you tried, Rishi?
No.
Same strategy would be like take bigger lots and try to. I think strategy. I have seen once like the ROI is like crazy. Like no, the percentage is for 140%, 200% and all. I have seen in the dashboards. Someone is asking for coffee. Any platform. So gold is currently all time high. I am expecting to continue the trajectory like till 4,000 at least. If the economy supports, see why not?
It is consolidating a lot.
Testing the patience level.
Mhm.
Can you open EU?
Yeah. He is actually looking good.
This looks good for shorting.
Yeah. You can go with it, but still, let's wait for some kind of down close candle to get confirmation. No, it is looking good.
For sales, right?
Yeah. I'm going to place order in my account.
Uh, I'm really sorry for his loss. I'm not aware of the trader.
I don't know why it is not closing.
Rishi, when you decide something. Okay, market is coming down. Okay, Rishi is going to buy. Let's change. Let's change. Market is going up.
Yeah, like this is almost like fourth time I'm just clicking the sell button.
Same, same. Gold
Wait
also.
for confirmation, then again it is reversing.
Okay, gold is going up. Rishi, come on,
Maybe.
think about buying. Now it will change. Yeah. No, no, I think this time it will go up if it breaks below.
Without confirmation, I'm not just going to click any buttons.
But actually, good only. In your thinking only, direction is changing. Like there were times like you take a trade and trade and not.
Huh?
Was there any time you took a trade and like pray that it should hit TP or something?
That was few years back. Nowadays, no emotions, nothing. Blank.
Anand Rajan, bro, I like this comment. I don't understand the way you talk about market or strategy. Last two live sessions, it's like you are seeing psychological levels handles. That's my trading style. I've come across a lot of traders who trades only support and resistance, and they're very profitable.
Yeah, still, like Rosa is trading indicators, right?
Yeah,
Like it's not about the concept that you're using. It's about like how you're managing risk, how you're finding the direction.
and mastering the same thing again and
Yeah,
again.
again and again.
Okay, I would look for buy now. If it is one more candle above, I'm my bias is buy only.
Okay, let's see.
Now you think that's where.
No, it is actually looking bullish, but still, without confirmation, no buttons, nothing.
So if it comes 92 and
If it retraces, I'll just go for it for sure.
okay, let's see. Zanko is a legendary trader. I like his
Here is more
RR is
make big.
RR rates, but his win rate is low. For example, he makes 10 losses. That's completely fine. But his psychology is still in the game. Even after 10 loss, he knows with a single win he can recover 10 loss plus another 10x profit. So that's something which you have like his strategy he has developed over years. Whereas us, we might give up after a few stop losses. Okay, come on, Rishi, let's go. One more candle. Look at that level, how it respected.
Yeah. A small retracement, then I'll just go for it.
Rishi, what's your favorite account model?
Mine, two step, not pro. Two step is always my favorite. I'll be getting bigger drawdowns, right?
Like for me, pro, because like after 5% drawdown, my psychology will be bad. Anyhow, so and to be honest, yeah, that's true. I have come from last 1% roll.
Hmm.
We can sell all time high. See all time high already came like If it breaks now, we are looking at another good numbers pushing to 730, 740, might be 750 also. We never know. I like that Sai's explanation on how we can identify resistance levels on an all-time high market, which actually gave me a very good perception, and it works also.
Is it like sentiment levels?
Yeah, basically every tens and twenties and fifties and hundreds are the
That's
break.
how I'll trade in Bank Nifty. Indian kids. If you just look at the open interest chart, right? Like if for every 300 points, you will see a huge put option writing
Okay,
or
it
call option
moved.
writing.
So it moved crossed 92.
It is super bullish. Maybe we can go for buy entry.
Now it will fall. So I think in
Yeah,
order,
like retracement works for me a lot. Even though the market is going higher, like I can't change my setup right now.
do you use Fib by any chance?
Yeah, I use, but not every single day. Like very rare.
Nah.
It is good for buy, but still, like according to my entry model, like I'll just wait for some kind of retracement. That would work for me.
3686. Yeah, it's a good buy. Come on, let's go. Already 70, 60 pips. Okay, it's gonna go up now.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys, it was my. I mean, someone called me on WhatsApp on my laptop.
It's a fantastic rally.
Hey, if it breaks, oh, it's at 93. If it breaks 700, we are going to see easy another 200, 300 moving. If it breaks. And it's not a very easy level actually, 700.
Mhm. Yeah.
Rishi, have you ever wondered what if I have taken a one lot like a month back at 3000 and I hold it at something like that?
Probably having like multiple crore. Yeah.
Hmm. How many days can we hold a position in? There is no rule, right? You just
No,
get charged
no
small
rule,
fee.
but still, like we are having 30 days inactive rule, right?
Okay.
So in that case, like even though if you're in a position,
Okay.
okay, for example, let's say if you took a trade like if you take it to trade today, and then if you're holding for like another 29 days, but even though you're holding the trade, but still it will count as a single day which took on 29 days back. So in
Okay.
between you have to take some proportions and then you have to close it.
I can try once like this.
Okay.
Maybe in a bearish market, probably. Okay, pushing up. Candles are printing, guys. Green, green. But look at that key level, how it's supported. It's very
Just too good.
good. You didn't enter sell there. Like we should have like good.
No, no, I was about to like I'm just clicking on the sell button. I'm waiting for the confirmation. Again, it is reversing. Again, I'm closing. I keep on doing this for like
I would
almost
be I
5
would
times.
be more inclined towards sell if it break and the candle at 84.
Uh,
I think you can look for buy if it comes at 90 again.
yeah, if it retraces, I'll just go for buy no matter what.
On retrace,
Or
will you look for buy at 90 or will you look at
no,
88?
like even in retracement, sometimes what I'll do is like I'll find some kind of manipulation with the displacement. However, like I'll identify swing lows and all. So I'll just wait for a small break. Like it's got turtle soup, right? So I'll just wait for it to break and then I'll go for the buy trade. In that case, like it will be a high probability setup for me.
Rishi has all fancy names. I don't even know what displacement is.
Displacement, like moving from one place to another. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
ICT is more fancy. You can just you can compare like retail and ICT in many ways. For example, like the breaker blocks are normal double top and double bottom in
Yes.
concepts, and even the engulfing pattern, right? Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. It's order block.
I sometimes use head and shoulders and double top, double bottom for confirmation for
Yeah,
my
head and
entry.
shoulders, right? Head and shoulders
Head and
and
shoulders I
head
use
inverted head and shoulders. It is actually
for king.
intermediate term highs or short term highs in ICT terms.
Yeah.
Like, that's a concept called market structure. So it's like intermediate term high means like the high between two short term highs. So it is actually head and shoulder. You can compare ICT concepts and retail concepts in many ways. Many ways.
Okay.
No sell buy. Head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder means like even we'll be having, yeah.
So there is chart patterns really work, guys. Sometimes then there is this inverted cup, like that. This inverted U. I forgot what name it is.
Cup and handle.
Cup and handle. That is also crazy. Head and shoulders is also crazy.
So this is what head and shoulder.
This I use it on sometimes to have a double confirmation on my same trading setup.
This is what ICT concepts also like. This if you're trading in a lower time frame, we can term it as ITH, like intermediate term highs, and if you can term it as short term highs.
See, I'll be very
That's
honest.
almost like a market structure.
I will be never. My brain is very hard to process these terms. Okay, so I will try to keep as simple as support resistance. Good,
And
good
also,
enough.
like, do you know like low what it is? Hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. That the same head and shoulder pattern is actually low hanging fruit on the opposite direction.
Inverted word.
Inverted
Okay.
one. Low
Inverted.
hanging fruit. Like the same head and shoulder patterns.
Okay.
So still, like the only thing I like in ICT is like time based models work very good in ICT concepts. That
So
is
stop it. for shorter time frame, right?
Yeah, time based models like the macro timings and the kill zones, and then the first presentation FEG. So these things works very good in ICT concepts. That is the only thing I like in ICT concepts. Other than this, like these terms and all, like gimmicks. Everything is gimmicks. You can just learn real concepts.
Okay. Okay. I think New York opened.
Yeah,
So tomorrow rate cut happen or not? What's opinion? I don't know. I don't. I have no insider information. But
yeah,
everyone expected gold to be bullish only. But let's see. I mean, majority
yeah. If
is
the rate cuts now, like if the interest rate is, if they cut the interest rate, then there are high chances that the Nasdaq might rally because the tech companies will start getting more loans from government. So that will actually increase the revenue if they cut the interest rates. Some fundamental facts highlighted recently. That's super bullish.
yeah. Will you take buy at 700 break and
No,
retest?
no.
No.
I mean, are you asking like whether I take trade in these levels like
Yeah,
700?
breaks and retest on top. Like
Retest means like maybe, but
okay,
not when it breaks.
if it gets wigged out, you are looking again to short only.
Yeah, all time high short is a very good entry model.
I've been doing that for the past 1.5 years and I was getting stopped out. It actually gave me a decent. I
Bond
was,
issuing will be high. Yeah,
I was stubborn to take 1:3. That was my mistake. I should have been like it came to 1:2.8, 2.9 multiple times. That is EU.
Nasdaq.
Okay. So you are looking to short Nasdaq.
Nah, no. Wait for tomorrow FOMC, right? Then we can decide the direction. But before news, also we can find some manipulation. We can just go for the trades and then we can scalp some points. And after news, we'll find the actual direction of the charts.
Cool.
It is going to take 3,100 for sure.
It will go.
Yeah,
If it goes 700, it's gonna push up.
yeah.
750, 730. Yesterday, this time only market started moving, rallying. Yesterday, what a rally it was, man. Almost how many pip rally it was?
Yesterday
350
the
to
whole day I was shooting. Nasdaq is looking good.
gold is also looking good for me.
Yeah. Still, it is good to buy these levels.
Do you trade BTC?
No.
I don't trade. I think last data, if you look at it, it was gold was bullish, and looking at how the market is moving, also we are expecting the gold to push up only during rate cut. I mean, it will be massive.
Wait,
The
sorry.
movement, the movement will be massive
Which one?
tomorrow. Market movements.
Uh, Rate cut happens, Nasdaq short. It won't work exactly like that, but maybe in short term there might be a fall. But in long term, like if the interest rate is low, that is a very good thing for tech companies to buy. I mean, to lend more loans from government. So it may be a bad thing for investors, but it is very good for tech companies. The
Yes.
partners continue this trend is same. That's right. Yeah, there are high chances that the market may break these levels.
Okay, I think market. Come on, let's break all-time high again. I think this will push Rishi because one, two times support. Now it's gonna push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But your bias was actually bullish. Suddenly you changed to bearish and you missed your entry.
Mine, like I'm sometimes like the market will correct, right? So I can scalp easily.
Okay. It just moved 100 pips right now. 88 to 98 now. 100 pip moment.
God, is your
Like,
word.
have you ever heard of a term called Wyckoff?
Wyckoff theory.
Wyckoff or Wyckoff.
No, no. I know the term, but I don't know
Like,
what it is at all.
I have one of my friend have taught me is beautiful. 1 minute entry is beautiful. If you've taken it, the win ratio is like RR is very good. Once the best entry I've taken is 1 is to 28 on 1 is to 28. That was like crazy good RR. But you need a lot of patience for it.
Trading is all about patience.
This is even more patience you want.
Oh, one entry per month.
Yeah, something like that. And it's gonna be see, it's gonna change. See, at some point we will feel the dopamine every day. Every day, if you without taking an entry, you will feel lost.
Hmm.
Saturdays and Sundays and all for some people don't know what what they are supposed to do. Like continuously trading.
I get it. I get it.
Okay, retest on 93 and push up. Let's go. Any other comments for us we missed out to answer, guys? Also, if you guys have any questions, just start posting. We'll start answering. It's like I think we'll end the stream in another 50 minutes.
Now. Let's wait. I'll be looking again to short. Let's wait.
Not happening, Rishi.
Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's go.
There is a liquidity there, internal one. I think it will take.
I'm just going to scalp. I'm also doing in copy trading in here also, but I'm executing in.
Okay, on your.
I don't know what happened. Mhm. You short, I will buy. Maybe it work for you.
Each other's liquidity. I was asking about NQ when I returned my TP just hit. Oh, that's nice. Lucky day for you. A good day for you. You're in trade? You shorted?
Yeah, a small scalp. Like I'm just trying to set.
Oh, your winnings are shown in percentages.
No, I just changed right now. Like this is paper trade. The whole
Oh,
this account is paper trade.
okay, okay, got it. I never traded in trading you.
No, just show the live. Like I'm also in metadata also.
Okay. Okay.
No,
Yes, sir.
no, it is going to hit myself.
Okay.
Let's see.
It just took out the 93.
If it closes above this level, I'll just close my trade for sure.
Yeah, yeah, it has to go up. What's that? But there is some liquidity. You can expect a small slight pullback.
That's fine, but still, like if it closes above this fair value cap, like I'll just close my trade for sure.
Okay. Why sell bro on a bullish market? His strategy is
Sometimes I'll scalp some points.
he's just targeting pullback.
It's yes, sell.
Okay.
I'll just close it.
So,
It's 450 $465 loss.
465.
Yeah.
Two lot you would have taken. Okay. It's okay.
Are we having any live hereafter?
No, I don't think so. Just check.
Right.
Anand bro, how do you bring your account back? Oh, yesterday, I think you guys already know Astros FX, right? He brought an account from drawdown to take profit in a single trade. What a legendary trade it was! Like
Who?
he took Astros like
Oh,
1:27 RR. What a crazy entry it was, man! Like the entry was so beautiful. I mean, it holded for him. That's a different story, but and in the last he kind of took partial and he was pissed off about it. He thought it won't go to the TP. It actually went TP and over the top it went 150 pips. So he
oh,
could have ideally closed at 137 error. Sorry, not 137, 1 is to 337.
all right. Can we end the stream?
Yeah, I think we can like pretty much.
Yeah. All right, fine. So today is actually a bad day for me, but it's fine.
So like my
Mm.
it's okay. Like
Ah,
you
completely.
one thing see, one thing you the what matters the most is you executed what you felt right for you.
Mm.
That's what matters the most. The loss and profit are just the outcomes, but the process what you have done is still good. Because I was completely on bullish and market is completely on bullish, but still you felt like I would like
Yeah,
to short it.
sometimes I like if the market what I have observed is like sometimes what will happen is like the market will go up, it will try to make a high,
Yeah, I
but
got
at
it.
some point it will react to the order blocks and all. It will completely reverse on bounce here. So that is what I expected, but that's completely fine. Okay,
That's perfect. Okay, okay, Rishi. See you
yeah. See you
later.
guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I need early.